Apple may be poised to spice up the iPhone 8's color selection much as it did for the 7 series last year. Mac Rumors has obtained a Virgin Mobile memo claiming product red versions of the 8 and 8 Plus will be announced soon, possibly as early as April 9th. It's not clear whether they'll ship this week. Virgin would be taking pre-orders, but we wouldn't expect a lengthy delay between the press release and availability. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, who has historically been an accurate source of Apple leaks, backed up the story. Notably, there's no mention of a similarly crimson-shaded iPhone X. Sorry, folks. You might have to be content with the existing monochromatic options. Not that it would be shocking. The X is an expensive handset to start with, and it may be a tougher sell in a special edition color. This doesn't completely rule out extra colors, but we wouldn't count on them. If the leak is accurate, Apple is pursuing a familiar strategy for device makers. It's rolling out new color options to put its hardware back in the spotlight and entice buyers who wanted livelier options. It's not going to have the same effect as introducing a brand new iPhone, but it might rekindle enough interest to keep sales steady until their usual fall refresh.